Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can find this filter, what luxury level are you and how to use this filter. So to get this filter, visit Diet Prada. You can follow Diet Prada to unlock this filter to your camera tray. So check in the filter effect gallery and you will find this filter. Tap on it. You will see a preview. From here you can save it to your camera and you can try it. So let's try it. So to use this filter you have to press and hold the camera button. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this filter on Instagram. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.